Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I've currently got you situated underneath an umbrella. As you can see, the weather is not exactly ideal for vlogging in the park with the gimbal, but I've just had such an itch today to get out and to film, and it's been raining for like 5 days straight. So I've been watching the weather all morning and I'm like, it's gonna be raining all day. I just gotta go for it. So here we are, out in the woods at Ridgeview Park, and I am filming on the Sony a7RV with the DJI Ronin RS3 Mini, and yeah, we're trying it out. The main purpose of this video is just to get used to the gimbal and SLOG3 video editing. You know, as a photographer, it's all still a little daunting, and I figured it'd be a fun way to get out and do some filmmaking, or attempt to do some filmmaking. So here we are in less than ideal conditions, and holy smokes, whew, my arm from this gimbal is feeling a workout. Golly, I'm gonna have the biggest delts this world has ever seen. So yeah, I'm out in Ridgeview Park, and I would like to do some cinematic shots. Oh, it's probably too loud. Can you even hear me? I'm gonna do some cinematic 60 FPS shots, but not out here. Woo. Holy moly. Not out in the fields. Oh, of course now, once I flip it around, I was just gonna show you the wind and the craziness, but alas. And here we are. Alright, well, I'm gonna do some, like I said, 60 FPS shots and see if I can turn it into a little video. And we'll see how that goes. Alright, I'll see you on the other side of filming. Alright folks, turns out that filming with a gimbal and an umbrella is a little more technically difficult than I would prefer, and so I'm calling it quits there because it's kind of miserable, but it was fun. I'm excited to go back and do some color grading and see what the footage looks like. So yep, we'll try this again in slightly better weather. Woo, it's coming down. Hello. Alrighty, that's all for now. We'll see ya.